Hello students, this video is for the announcement of our CA Foundation crash course for the May 2021 examination. Our crash course is starting on 24th of February and it is going to be for a duration of 40 days going up to the first week of April. The class timings for this batch is going to be from morning 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. and the fees for the course is 16,000 inclusive of GST. We shall be covering all the subjects except for BCR. All the subjects shall be covered except for BCR. It's going to be comprehensive from a crash course point of view where all important topics are going to get covered, and we will be doing approximately for 200 hours. The training will be for approximately 200 hours. Students have three options to register for the course. The three options are: you may either attend face-to-face at our Jayanagar Center, you may also attend live online, or may opt for the recorded sessions of the same. The recorded sessions are going to be available 7 days after the class. So recordings shall be available from 1st of March onwards. The same syllabus shall be applicable to you. That is about the course. Now, who's going to be teaching the course? Your beloved faculty, that is Mayur sir and Rajwardhan sir, will be teaching accounts. Mayur sir having more than 10 years of experience in teaching the subject, and Rajwardhan sir over 6 years of experience in teaching the subject. Nitika ma'am will be teaching you business laws, who has over 12 years of experience in teaching the subject. Anil sir will be taking math, stats and logical reasoning with over 25 years of experience in teaching the subject. And economics and BCK is going to be covered by Shandar sir, who has more than 10 years of experience in teaching economics. How do we register for this course? Well, you need to make a transfer to these account details. An online transfer to this is possible. You may also come to the center and register yourself. For further information, visit our website yashashacademy.com, or you may contact on the given numbers, that is 93790-91699 or 93790-61699. Looking forward to see you all soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.